What's up, guys? It's your boy Etard from Etard's Adventures. I'm gonna give y'all a little tech tip today. I need to rob this grip back off this bike to put it on back on the KLX. Then I'll put the blue grip back on here. But I'm gonna teach y'all a way to get these grips on and off without ever using grip glue, compressed air, anything like that. All you need, zip ties. A few zip ties. Take your zip tie where the big end is. You want to leave it out, and then you just take your zip tie and you feed it down that grip. I've had these grips for almost 2 years now, and they've been on and off multiple different sets of handlebars. So I'm just taking and I'm feeding that zip tie down in that hole. Take another zip tie, same thing. Feed the zip tie in the grip. Pretty simple, straightforward. Go as far as you can go with it. I'm almost all the way to the end of those two. Another one, go around the back side. Same thing. Feed it in your grip. Just keep doing this. You don't even have to have you can even use zip ties that have been cut. But always have zip ties on me usually. So there's a 1, 2, we got 3. Take another one. Start her on this side. I'm just spacing all these out. What I'm doing is I'm creating room between the grip and that plastic throttle tube. All the way around it. But I've never went with hairspray or nothing like that. After I've learned this trick, I've never did it any other way. This is the way I do it. You don't have to use this many. I'm just trying to do it to show you that it'll come off that way. Because that grip is on there, if you know what I mean. Go directly on the bottom. There we go. Alright, now that you got all your zip ties in, you just take and slide the grip off. Look how easy. And there's all your zip ties. Now let's go to the other bike. Alright guys, so now we're back at the KLX 110. We got our grip off the other bike. That was super easy to do. A lot of people have trouble with the grips, but I'm teaching you the secrets. So I got my grip. I got my zip ties. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take and I'm gonna put my zip ties in my grip, like so, see? And then I'm gonna kind of spread them out. Just like how we took that grip off. We're gonna do it the same way, putting it on. A little reverse engineering here. So yeah, we got our zip ties, spread them out, as you can see. No, there's nothing on this. There's no rubber, cement, there's no nothing to lubricate this. This is just dry like it's supposed to be. Get your grip where you want it, and then just push the grip on. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing. Slide that grip on. Like so. My zip ties ain't all the way at the end. And when you get it slid on all the way where you want it, oh, there's some zip ties. You just pull your zip ties out like this. And look, it's not spinning on there. It's not spinning on there at all. That's me twisting the throttle. But that sucker's on there tight and it's not gonna come off. That is your Tard tip of the week. Probably of the year, maybe of the lifetime. Zip ties for grips. Get some. Appreciate y'all watching the video. If this helped you out, share it with everybody you know. please leave down in the comments that it helped. I love the feedback. And until next time, peace.